Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Now, let's discuss a useful tool. Engineered for durability and convenience, these portable automotive ramps boast a rugged, structural design that makes accessing your vehicle's underside a breeze. Their nestable design means you can store them compactly, saving valuable space in your garage or workshop. The innovative CoreTrack non-skid base significantly reduces slippage, ensuring safe and reliable operation every time. With a 17-degree incline, these ramps are perfect for low-clearance vehicles, providing smooth and stable access. They're built to support a robust 12,000-pound GVW capacity and are designed to work with tires up to 9 inches in width, delivering the strength and performance you need for heavy-duty applications. So, whether you're performing routine maintenance or tackling more intensive repairs, these ramps are an indispensable tool in your automotive arsenal. Discover a new era of in-car connectivity with our multifunctional adapter that seamlessly combines wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Offering 3 modes, wired to wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and wired to Android Auto, this innovative AI box lets you easily switch between systems. Not only does it enable effortless navigation and communication, but it also transforms your ride into a mobile entertainment hub. Stream YouTube, Netflix, and other video apps directly to your in-car screen without interruption. Plus, with built-in TF card support, there's no need for Wi-Fi or a hotspot to enjoy your media. Equipped with dual-band 2.4 GHz Bluetooth and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the adapter ensures lightning-fast connectivity and reliable performance. Its plug-and-play setup means no messy cables or complicated installations, just a simple 3-step process that gets you connected in as little as 5 to 15 seconds. The device retains your car's original controls while enabling hands-free access to voice assistants like Siri, ensuring smooth integration with your calls, music, and navigation. Introducing the EcoNor Car Sunshade for Windshield, your ultimate defense against harmful UV rays and heat. Crafted from high-quality 240T sunblocker screen material, it not only keeps your car's interior cool and comfortable, but also protects your dashboard and accessories from sun damage. Designed for durability and ease of use, this sunshade stands out from the rest. What truly sets EcoNor apart is its versatility. Easily pop up the sunshade, install it on your windshield, fold it back, and then tuck it away in the included storage pouch, effortless and convenient every time. With generous dimensions of 64 inches in length and 34 inches in width, this adjustable shade fits most windshields perfectly. Plus, with 7 size variants available, you can find the ideal match for nearly any family-sized vehicle. Simply refer to the size chart for the best fit. Elevate your driving experience while protecting your car's interior with EcoNor's innovative sunshade. Be prepared for roadside emergencies with the Sunsul Heavy-Duty Tire Plug Repair Kit. This complete kit features robust T-handle tools crafted from high-strength, rust-resistant zinc alloy that easily pierce through tires, solving the common issue of fragile plastic handles. The kit's tire puncture plugs are made of premium rubber with excellent adhesion, ensuring they remain flexible, long-lasting, and resistant to aging or hardening. With these high-quality seal kits, you can quickly and effectively repair a flat tire without worrying about leaks. Engineered for versatility, this repair kit works on all types of tires. It includes 2 types of replacement inserts to match both thick and slim tire punctures, ensuring you have the right tool for every situation. The Sunsul kit comes with detailed instructions and all the essential tools you need for fast, reliable, independent repairs. Upgrade your vehicle's interior protection with our thick, heavy-duty mats and liners designed for full coverage and built to withstand any weather. This set includes 2 front mats and 1 rear liner, offering comprehensive defense against spills, stains, dirt, and debris that ordinary mats might miss. Crafted from advanced performance rubber polymers, these mats are rigorously tested under extreme conditions to ensure they never crack, split, or deform. Their flexible design contours perfectly to your vehicle's floor, catching every spill and mess with ease. You don't have to go through the trouble of setting them up. Just put them on your car or trim them to fit and you're done. The front mats measure 28-inch L by 19-inch W, while the rear liner is 17.5 by 56-inch W. So please check your vehicle's dimensions before installation. Enjoy durable, long-lasting protection with a set that's as versatile as it is robust. Revitalize your car's interior with this durable, easy-to-install steering wheel cover, the perfect solution for replacing an old or worn factory wheel. The delicate splicing design adds a touch of texture and sophistication to your cabin, while the fine, supple microfiber leather feels much softer than the original surface. Constructed with a less slippery microfiber leather exterior and a secure rubber lining, this cover offers reliable safety by protecting your steering wheel against sunburn, scratches, fading, wear, and dirt. Its excellent sweat-absorbing properties ensure a better grip even during hot summer days. Suitable for standard-sized wheels with an outer diameter of 14.5 to 15 inches, it's an ideal upgrade for almost any vehicle. Be sure to measure your steering wheel before purchasing to guarantee the perfect fit. Experience seamless in-car charging with officially Qi2 certified 15-watt MagSafe charger, designed to deliver safer, more reliable, and faster power to your iPhone. With engineered versatility, this charger mounts securely to your dashboard, even on curved or uneven surfaces, thanks to a flexible adhesive pad with a high-quality 48 by 48 mm bonding area. Adjust your view effortlessly with a full 270-degree rotation extension arm and a 360-degree rotating base and ball joint, allowing you to set your phone at the perfect angle, whether upright, downward, or at any angle in between. A powerful ring of magnets, offering up to 1,600 grams of holding force, keeps your device firmly in place, even on bumpy roads. For extra stability on rough terrain, an official MagSafe case or ESR magnetic case is recommended. Keep your eyes on the road with this advanced head-up display. Designed to project essential driving information directly into your line of sight, it lets you read your speed and vehicle data at a glance. No need to take your eyes off the road. This unit offers 10 different interfaces that allow you to freely switch between various display modes. With 2 easy installation options, either on your dashboard using the adjustable bracket or stuck to your windshield, it ensures a non-destructive, hassle-free setup. For enhanced safety, the ambient light shifts from a soothing blue during normal driving to a bold red when abnormal conditions such as speeding are detected. Unlike typical meters that only provide OBD mode, this device offers dual functionality with a combined OBD plus GPS 2-in-1 mode displaying a wealth of information. The OBD system can read more than 100 kinds of data from your vehicle, and if your car doesn't support OBD2, it automatically defaults to GPS mode. Enjoy a richer, more informed driving experience with this versatile head-up display. COO offers high-quality dash cams that capture clear details, such as license plates and road signs, day and night, providing reliable evidence for traffic disputes. Its compact design features a 1.5-inch mini display for unobtrusive monitoring. With an f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, it excels in various lighting conditions. The cabin camera has 4 infrared LED lights for excellent night vision. The SOA Dash app simplifies connectivity, allowing easy video access and sharing. In an accident, footage can be quickly presented to law enforcement without removing the memory card. OTA updates keep firmware current for optimal security. Additional features include built-in GPS with automatic timestamping, a supercapacitor for extreme temperatures, and an adjustable G sensor that locks footage during sudden impacts. With seamless loop recording and support for up to a 256GB card, COAU's dashcam ensures you never miss a moment on the road. Revamp your car maintenance routine with the X8 Apex, a compact powerhouse engineered for efficiency and precision. In just 56 seconds, it inflates a 26.3-inch tire with an impressive accuracy of 1 psi, making it a top choice for any driver. Designed to work continuously for up to 40 minutes on a full charge, this inflator boasts an innovative cooling system that lets it pump 16 tires without a break, eliminating downtime. Choose from 4 preset inflation modes and 3 measurement units with a simple click, then relax as it automatically stops once the target pressure is reached. An 18.11-inch anti-scalding, high-pressure hose effortlessly reaches tires up to 31.8 inches at 150 psi from every angle. Plus, a dual-mode LED light on top ensures visibility in the dark, while integrated USB-C and USB-A ports transform it into an emergency power bank or even an air compressor for your brad nailer. Complete with essential accessories like an air tube, press-to-valve adapter, ball needle, and charging cable, the X8 Apex is the versatile, all-in-one tool every driver needs. Experience precise, rapid measurements with the Laser Grip 1080 temperature gun. It efficiently gauges temperatures ranging from -58 degrees to 130 degrees Fahrenheit in just 0.5 seconds, displaying both the current reading and the peak temperature detected on the surface. Using advanced infrared technology, this device accurately measures surfaces with temperatures far above boiling or well below freezing. Its adjustable emissivity range of 0.1 to 1.0 lets you fine-tune readings by holding the up or down buttons, ensuring optimal accuracy across diverse materials. With a 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio, it's safe and effective for measuring even hard-to-reach or hazardous objects from around 14 inches away. A backlit LCD screen, complete with degree C conversion, and a smart 15-second auto-off feature help extend battery life, with a low battery indicator keeping you informed. For best performance, store your laser grip in a cool, ventilated area away from direct sunlight or heat, which could cause the surface to become tacky.